Hi folks, my name is Raju. Welcome to my YouTube channel Data Raj. In last video we discussed list data structure. If you want to represent a group of individual objects as a single entity where insertion order is preserved and duplicates are allowed, then we should go for a list. List is a dynamic because based on our requirement we can increase the size and decrease the size. In list the elements will be placed within square bracket and with comma separator. We can differentiate duplicates element by using index. We can preserve insertion order by using index. Hence, index will play a very important role in list. Python support both positive index and negative index. Positive index means from left to right, where negative index means right to left. We discussed creation of empty list, creation of list with dynamic input, with split function, accessing element of list by using index. List support both positive and negative index by using slicing operator. Today we'll discuss a list versus mutability. Once we create a list objects, we can modify its contents. Hence, list objects are mutable. Here I am defining one list. N is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. This is my list. I am printing that list. Yeah, this is my list. Now I want to modify its content. At index position 1, I am modifying the element. I am taking 777. Yeah. Now I am printing the new list. Yeah, the content is modified because lists are mutable. Now we discuss traversing the elements of list. What is traversal? The sequential access of each element in the list is called traversal. Yeah, by using while loop. Now I am creating one list. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is my list. I want to access each element from the list. First, I am initializing I is equal to 0. While I less than length of the list. Print n of high. I want each element from the list. I want to increment the I value. Yeah, now we'll see the output. Yeah, we are able to access all elements from the list. Now we'll see by using for loop. Now I am taking one list. This is my list 0 to 10. I want to access each element from the list. I am writing for loop. For n1, n, print n1. Yeah, see, I'm running the loop. Yeah, I am able to access all elements from the list using for loop. Now we'll discuss to display only even numbers from the list. Here I am defining one list. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is my list. I want only even numbers from the list. For n1, n, I'm writing for loop. for n1 in n, if n1 divisible by 2, if any number is divisible by 2, it is a even number. I am printing n1. This is my for loop to access even numbers from the list. Now we'll check I am able to get or not. Yeah, these are my even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, we are getting the correct answer. I explained for only even numbers. You can try with odd numbers and prime numbers. Please ping your answer in comment window. Now we discuss to display elements by using index wise. Here I am defining one list. L is equal to list A, B, C, and D. This is my list. I want to display elements by using index wise. I am taking X variable. I am storing length of the list in that variable. Now I am writing for loop for I in range X. We have to take length of the list here. Now I am printing each element from the list. Then I am printing the positive index position is available. The element is available at positive index is positive index. The positive index is where it is I. We have to take I here. And negative index also I want to print. And negative index I minus X. I have to take I minus X. I want to take I minus X. X means length of the list. Yeah, I am running this code. Yeah, see the output is A is available at positive index 0 and negative index minus 4. This is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4, negative index. Yeah, A is available at positive index 0 and negative index minus 4. B is available positive index at 1 and negative index minus 3. And C is available at positive index 2 and negative index minus 2. And D is available at positive index 3 and negative index minus 1. Yeah, friends, I explained with one list. You can take different list and you can practice it. The next topic from the list we will cover in next video. I'm going to cover each and everything from the list. Thank you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.